So as you guys see my today's title of the video, this is gonna fix my biggest issue with my Q50. Fast forward like 10 minutes. Everything's pretty much taken apart. Oh yes sir. Alright guys, just like that, lip number, I think this is number 5 or number 6, is on. What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I am currently half asleep. Look, even she's excited. So I get a notification that somebody's at my doorbell. I'm like, what the fuck? So I look and I see a package there and I see the guy take it back. So I was like, what could it be? I had just ordered something very important yesterday, all the way from Sacramento, which is like 8 hours away from me, and I did not expect to get this fast. So when I saw it was a big box and the guy was taking it, I was like, it has to be that. And sure enough, it was. So as you guys see my today's title of the video, this is gonna fix my biggest issue with my Q50. A lot of you guys should know what this is. This is literally an issue that I should have fixed almost a year ago, but here we are. Now, let's open the box and see exactly what it is.
2,000 years later.
Alright, I couldn't open it the way I wanted to, so I was feeling like a little kid on Christmas Day. He was ripping it. Damn, when I say this thing is protected, it's freaking protected. Even the packaging is freaking beast from these guys. Oh, here's one. And here's the second one. So, there's two things. Any guesses? What are two things inside my car that are messed up and they've been messed up forever? Alright, now let's go ahead and take this bubble wrap off. For those that guessed it right, my screen. You guys know that the screen of my Q50 went out literally almost a year ago. I can't believe it's been almost a year. And I've just been lagging on fixing it for whatever reason. It's finally here. And this is the top part. That's crazy, bro. This piece almost made me sell the car like multiple times. But yeah, shout out to my boys over at Sac City Auto Parts, man. I'm gonna add their Instagram right here. I literally ordered it yesterday like at 3 or 4 p.m. and it got here like at 9 something. That's crazy, bro. That's the fastest shipping I think I've ever gotten. That's pretty sick. They had told me to expect it like sometime before the weekend, but I was thinking best case scenario probably tomorrow or Saturday. And just to give you guys an idea how fast this was, they told me they were gonna send me a tracking number I think today, and it got here today. So that's pretty sick. So once again, shout out to them. If you guys need any parts of your Z's, Q's, G's, whatever, I'm sure they got it in stock. What's up guys? So I'm now picking up the camera a few hours later. I completely forgot to bring my actual camera, so we're coming live from the iPhone. So I actually lost another one of my lips the other night. This time it was actually my fault because I had a feeling this was gonna happen. It was pouring rain and I was driving not fast necessarily, but like kind of careless, like through puddles and stuff. And I hit a dip where there was a puddle and it just took my lip. So we are on the way to buy another one. I think it's the same one. It looks like the same one. This time it's brand new. We're about 40 minutes away. Gonna go pick this lip up and hopefully install it at the same time as we install the screen. Package is secured. Now let's go home and install everything.
6.5 hours later.
Alright guys, the time has come. We are going to be changing the screen. I don't have any experience doing this, but it doesn't seem too hard. I just watched the YouTube video on it. Seems pretty easy. This isn't going to be a how-to video, but I will link this guy's video down below if you guys ever run into this issue. He actually did a really good job explaining it. So let's go ahead and take this apart. Fast forward like 10 minutes. Everything's pretty much taken apart. Now just gonna swap the bracket onto the new one and put everything back together pretty much. Yes! Oh my god, my heart dropped, guys. I thought it didn't work. Oh, thank you, God. Let's go. Finally. I thought it wasn't gonna work. Yes! Yes, you can change it to sport now. Now, time to install the lip. This car looks so ugly lipless. I actually lost it the other day. I don't know if I mentioned it already in the rain. Alright guys, just like that, lip number, I think this is number 5 or number 6, is on. This one shouldn't fall. I hope it doesn't fall. The only reason the other one fell is because I went through a puddle I think I don't know if I said this in the video yet. I went through a puddle and I hit a dip at the same time, so like it was like a pretty strong water current and it just like yanked the whole lip off. But anyways, car has a lip. Car finally has a radio again. I've gotten so many comments saying, when are you gonna fix it? Like, bro, like how can you drive with no radio? You guys want to know how I did it? It's so embarrassing. So for the past year, I've been listening to music through this speaker that my girl gave me probably like 2 years ago, and I will put it literally right here and just bump the music. I was just telling my girl right now that I really struggled with no radio. Over 250 bucks, that's it. I don't know why. It's because at first when this all happened, I called Infiniti and they quoted me like $2,000. So I was like kind of like unmotivated, and then I just started buying other stuff for the car, buying other stuff for the Z, and I just completely just like neglected the whole stereo situation. But last week I saw on my camera roll that it messed up on March 1st of last year, and I was like, bro, I am not gonna go a year without radio. So I made it like a must to buy this thing like as soon as possible. And I feel like when the homies did the starlights, I feel like it motivated me even more. So shout out to them again. Oh yes sir. All right guys, so one thing that did mess up when this whole screen thing happened was that I wasn't able to put it in sport. So I've been tuning, I haven't put it in sport not once. So see how it feels. It didn't feel that much different, but what I do feel a lot different is the steering. I haven't felt this in literally almost a year. Are the downshifts more aggressive? I don't even remember, to be honest. They are. I feel like they are. This car looks so good, bro. Finally fixed the one thing that was wrong with this car. That screen was literally the reason I wanted to sell it. That was the only reason I wanted to sell it. I was tired of it, didn't have motivation for it, didn't want to pay to fix something that shouldn't have broken in the first place. But I got rid of that mentality and I fixed it. I love this car. Feels so good to finally be able to listen to music in this car again. Anyways, we made it back home. I was about to go inside, but then I remembered that I actually have to do something else with this car. I mean, it's something very small that actually went out the other day. The license plate light. This thing is pretty much done. Yeah, it's actually completely done now. I ended up buying these on Amazon. Supposedly they're really bright, so I'm gonna go ahead and swap these out really quick. I think they were like $8 on Amazon, so let's see how they look. So I have one of them in. The one on the right is a new one. The one on the left is the old one. Damn, that one's way brighter. That actually even hurts my eyes. Alright, the little covers are on. Yeah, way better. You see, it's little things, guys. And I mean, for $8, not too shabby. Anyways, let's go ahead and go inside, edit this video for you guys, and go to sleep because I'm tired. That being said, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if it was kind of boring. I always try my best to bring you guys some sort of action with every video. And I do know that this video didn't have that much action, but it was a video that I just wanted to make. Just in case there was other Q50 owners that have the same exact problem. I'm going to look for a video to show you guys exactly what the Q was doing before I fix the screen. It's actually crazy though, because when this first happened, I couldn't find any information on like an issue like this. I even posted like on the forums. I posted on my Instagram, like I posted everywhere, like asking people like if they had gone through this issue, and everybody pretty much told me the same thing, to hold down the power button. I did that so many times. I unplugged the battery so many times. Like I tried everything and it just never worked. I was also kind of scared. I was like, bro, if I buy this screen, I like swap it and it doesn't work, I'm gonna be so mad because it's a waste of money pretty much. But I sent it and thank God it worked. So pretty much if you guys have a similar problem to that, just buy another screen. I honestly should have fixed this months ago, but like I said, no motivation. I didn't care. I wasted my money on this car, on other stuff for that car. I just didn't have the motivation for it, to be honest. And I bought these wheels and I got all the motivation in the world to do the starlights. And with the starlights, it made me want to fix the screen, so I did it. This car, I haven't actually taken it out like in a week or two. Nothing wrong with it. It's been raining where I live for like almost a week now. But besides that, I mean, the car is good. The kit is still for sale. If anybody is interested, shoot me a DM on Instagram. We could definitely work out a deal. Once this kit is sold, I do have big plans Another pretty sick turbo kit. Once the new turbo kit is in, we are going to be turning the power up. I am very excited for that. This car's going to be a whole different animal, bro, if everything goes well. But enough of me talking. I feel like I've talked a lot this video. If you guys like this video and maybe even found it helpful, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one.